Hello everybody. Today we have a B2B PS5 HDMI port replacement. I've already went ahead and removed the port because I wanted to check for torn pads. It looked like there was 2 torn pads. There was none, luckily. Got the port prepped, board prepped. Let's get it on. Get these folks back to gaming again. Might want to turn down your audio. Could get a little loud. Alright, so the port's in. We just got to secure these posts, and then we can get these folks back to gaming again. I've already cleaned it and took care of the liquid metal. So that's the final product on the post. And that is the final outcome on the pins. So that's the APU. And there's the heatsink. Time to test. Alright, we're back in action. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. New videos dropped every Sunday. Memberships available. Store now open. Thanks for all the support.